Hi everyone, this is Raju. Welcome to my YouTube channel CloudTubes. Today we will discuss about host and host grouping in Azure. So host is a dedicated server allotted to a customer where the customer can create one or multiple virtual machines. So you don't need of purchasing a physical server. Instead, you can use Azure services and rent a dedicated host where you can have your virtual machines running out, and no other customers would be given this dedicated host, and only it's used by you. So if you look into the Microsoft site, you will get the same explanation. So it's a dedicated host, which is a service that provides a physical server able to host or one or more virtual machines dedicated to one Azure subscription. Okay, so you can't have multiple subscriptions with one dedicated host. For each subscription, you can have each dedicated host, and the host can be provisioned dedicated to a region, availability zone, and fault domain. You can provision this host within a region level, zonal level, and also based on the fault domain. So, where do we get this option? Let's look into that. So, I will not be able to create a virtual machine and show you this example due to COVID-19. There are a lot of virtual machines being freezed up, and we will not be able to do much testing on that. But I can show you where do we create that. So, if you go to the search bar and search as host, so you will get this host details. So, you can add the host under this. So you need to provide the basic details like the hardware family, what kind of VM size you would be creating on this, so that that range of or that particular family you would be getting the physical server. So mainly you have to enter the resource group. So I can just give a test resource group as test rg, and here I can give a name as test, and I want the physical server to be located in East US, so you can specify this region, or else you can change the region to different location. Here under this size family, you need to change the family size. So I'll just use a basic standard DSv3. On this, you can also create Hyper-V services. Mm. So here you don't have a host group. For that, you need to create a host group. So you can specify a host group as host 1 group, or else go host group 1. You can specify this under availability zone 1, and you can also make this as fault domain 1. So this is where you will get the options to change the zoning as well as fault domain. Okay, so you can have your physical servers in different zones and different fault domains, and you can run your virtual machines. So you can also enable automatically replace host on failure. You can enable that, and you will get the other details like about the Windows server license and SQL license. I'll just ignore that, and that's it. You need to give a tagging, and you can you can just mention it as cloud and training, and then review and create. That's it. Once you have created this, once you have created, you can directly go to the virtual machines. When you're creating a virtual machine, you need to go to the advanced location where you can add this grouping so that your virtual machine will reside to that particular host. Okay, so under the creation of a virtual machine, you can see this advanced option. So under this, when you're selecting the prerequisite like the size and the resource group and the networking and storage stuff, after that under advanced you need to select the host group. This is the section where you will have to select where my virtual machine has to reside. It can be in in one region like in a zone 1 or zone 2 or fault domain 1 or fault domain 2, so that you have to create it in the host grouping, so that you can select this and you can make your virtual machines running on a dedicated host. Okay, so if you have any confusion, please do post or comment so that I will look into that and I will reply back. And if you do like the video, please subscribe, and I will make some more videos which would be easy to understand for everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.